Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about the VLOOKUP function in Excel. Here we have a simple data set with 3 columns: product code, product name and price. Let's say we want to find out the price of a product using its product code. To do this, we will use the VLOOKUP formula. Click on an empty cell where you want to display the price and type is equal VLOOKUP quotation marks P002. P002 is the product code we are looking for, comma, select the range of our data set, Ctrl Shift right arrow and Ctrl Shift down arrow, comma, 3 tells Excel to return the value from the third column, which is the price, comma, false. False means we want an exact match. Now hit enter. After pressing enter, the price of the blue denim jacket appears, and there you have it. The price for the blue denim jacket is $80. Now if you want to make it dynamic, you can type the product code in a separate cell like F5 and use this formula. Hit enter. This way you can easily change the product code in cell F5 and price will update automatically. P003 is 35 and P002 is 80. And that's it for today's tutorial on VLOOKUP. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.